Hey guys, welcome back. Just real quick, this is a level 4 kit for a Polaris Slingshot with an underbody kit. Okay, so remember we do 2 underbody kits, actually 4, because you can get them in double LEDs or the spaced out LEDs, and then you can get them in the 4-foot strips, or we can get them in the 6-foot strips, which literally go pretty much the entire chassis. It's going to go all the way back by the back tire onto the round bar chassis, all the way up to the front, up under the motor, to where the bar goes up the chassis and then kind of curves in on the inside of the frame. So this is just a 4-foot strip gear kit, and these are the pieces that go up under the bumper. Sorry, I had to think. So double LEDs on these guys, level 4. Really bright, really nice. These are the one-piece powder coated rings. But I'm getting ready to box these up here in a little bit and get them out. So I just finished putting everything together. Been working on this for the last 2 days. Got all the strips made up, got everything soldered, got it tested, which is what we're doing right now. And here in a minute we're going to get the invoice, go over the QA/QC check, and start getting it all boxed up. So if you're looking for something, I promise you, you're not going to find any prices better than mine. If you do, send me a link to the website where they're posted at. I'll make sure I beat them, but I'm 99% sure you're not going to find that, because I've already priced everybody else out, and I made sure I'm less than everybody else. What else? Oh, there'll be a link to the website in the description below, so you can go to the website and check out prices and options. I can do these guys up to 11 rows. Okay, so just as a heads up, like the other kit you seen the other day that had 6 rows, that kit with the Polaris one-piece rings is $835, right? Which sounds a little high, but it's literally more than half off what some other companies out there charge, because there's some that literally charge $2,000. So yeah, I'm much cheaper. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you guys got any questions, shoot me a message. I'll be glad to get to them. Other than that, man, we'll see you guys on the next video.